Okay, student. So the next concept is MOET. MOET. What is the full form of MOET? Multiple ovulation. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology is called as MOET. What is this? What is MOET? Now, see how it is helpful to us. Just imagine, okay, there is a superior cow. Imagine there is a superior cow which is female, okay, it is of very good breed, okay, say it is in India, okay, there is superior cow, it is in India, okay. Now say a superior male version bull, okay, say it is in some other country, maybe in Denmark. So what we can do, we need not bring that bull to India, okay, to cross with the cow. We can collect its gamete. We can collect its gamete from there and we bring that gamete here. We bring that gamete here. Okay. Now imagine that gametes are here. Okay. The superior quality gametes are here, male gametes. Okay. Now what we do? Now inject to this cow, we inject some injection of FSH. FSH. You know that you have studied FSH. It is hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. When we inject this in cow, you know that ovulation, you know what is ovulation. Release of egg is called as ovulation. Same like human being, cow releases only one egg at a time. Okay. So that is ovulation. But when we give this injection, maybe when we inject this FSH, cow, instead of ovulating once, it starts ovulating several times. So that is multiple ovulation. Okay, it ovulates many times. So what happened now? When it ovulated many times, many eggs are released. Say for our sake, 8 eggs are released, which was generally 1 egg. But now due to FSH, 8 eggs are released in its body. 8 eggs are their gamete. Now what we do? Artificially, we inject this gamete into the body of cow. It is called as artificial insemination. We inject it into the body of cow. Okay. Now there are already 8 eggs in the body of cow. 8 eggs in the body of cow. We have introduced sperm, that is gamete. Now these sperm and gamete fuse together, and you know what is the result? Zygote. Zygote is formed. Okay. How many zygote? 8 zygote. Okay, 8 zygotes are formed. Now that 8 zygote will develop into 8 calf, 8 young one. Okay, but we know that a single cow cannot accommodate all the 8 calf in its body. And that too, this is superior version of the cow. So what we do now? Now we collect all these 8 zygote from the cow body. We get it outside. Okay, and then we inject each zygote into different cow now. Okay, say 1, 2 like this. In 8 different cows' body, we introduce this. We introduce this zygote into the uterus, womb, into the womb of different cow. Now these cows, they will become pregnant. Okay, they get pregnant. Okay, now each one of them, after certain period, maybe after 9 months, they give birth to, each one give birth to 1 calf. So exactly after 9 months, say after 9 months, we will get 8 calf. We will get 8 calf. Okay, sorry, 8 cows. We will get 8 cows. Okay, in 9 months. Otherwise, what would have happened? We would get only 1 calf. But now, due to super ovulation, we got 8 zygote. As a result, we made 8 different cows to get pregnant, and we got 8 cows. Okay, and all of them are of superior quality. Why they are of superior quality? Because this gamete which we brought from other places is also of superior quality. This cow is also of superior quality. Okay, now what is the advantage? One more thing. Now that 8 cow, they have 2 mother now. This cow is 1 mother from where the gametes have been taken. and this is another mother where it completed its pregnancy. So now this cow, this mother is called a genetic mother. Genes of this mother, genetic mother. Whereas these are called as surrogate mother. Surrogate mother, genetic mother. Now we got 8 calf. But see here, one more advantage is, in that 9 month, during that 9 month, you can carry out the same process several times with the cow. Okay, again you inject with FSH. Again we will get many eggs, that is multiple ovulation. Again we can inject gamete, we get many zygote. That zygote you introduce into some other cow. So like this cow acts as a machine, okay, by which you can get several zygote. So this technique need not be only for cow, it can be used for goat, sheep or anything, okay. So this technique is called as multiple ovulation embryo transfer. Okay, several times they asked it in examination. Be thorough with this concept. Thank you, students.